candle cap, high voltage wire, ignition coil, spark plug connector, spring threaded metal rod, primary winding of the ignition coil, secondary winding, ferrite core, CDI-AC, connecting the CDI to the ignition coil, stop key, connection to the mass, generator coils and inductive sensor, windings to power the CDI, magnetic steel core coil. One end of the coil is connected to the CDI. The other end is connected to the body. Eight magnets with alternating polarity are built into the rotor of the generator. There is a metal step on the outer radius of the rotor. As the rotor rotates, the generator windings produce alternating voltages. The diode carries current only in the forward direction. The current passes through the capacitor and through the primary coil of the coil, which is connected at the other end to the motor housing. The electrical circuit is closed. In doing so, the capacitor is charged. When the protrusion on the generator rotor passes the inductive sensor, a pulse is generated in the sensor. This AC voltage pulse, rectified by the stroke, and fed through the resistor and capacitor to the control pin of the thyristor. The thyristor opens. The result is a closed electrical circuit. The charged capacitor discharges to the primary winding of the high voltage coil. A current flows through the primary winding. The effect of electromagnetic induction occurs. The ferrite core amplifies the magnetic field. A high voltage is induced in the secondary winding of the coil. When the voltage reaches the desired value, the secondary coil discharges through the spark plug electrode gap. The working mixture is ignited in the cylinder. When the capacitor is fully discharged, the thyristor closes. The process is repeated again. Stop key or ignition switch. In the stop position, the key contacts short the corresponding switch terminal to ground. The voltage to charge the capacitor is drained through the diode to the body. The capacitor is not charged. Spark generation is stopped. In this video, the principle of operation is considered CDI-AC commutator, which means ignition from capacitor discharge of alternating voltage. There are also DC ignition systems. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Until new videos.